We live, we live, ladies and gentlemen. And I missed my trade because the market just opened, but I didn't take the trade because the market just opened. My trade was to go short at 33. Phone going off. What's going on? I didn't see. I didn't look. Yeah. How much you trying to sell it for? You got any hit? Mm-hmm. You already know what that's about. Right. All right, I'm gonna send it to Rais and see if he'll take it on consignment because he sells furniture. So if anything, he would take it on consignment and sell it, better than losing it. Okay, I'm gonna send it to him. All right, cool. Together first, Rais. Hold on. Mhm. Okay, I'm back. I had to take a call. Didn't miss anything. Waiting for. I missed my short anyway at 33. I was looking for a short here to break yesterday's open at 33 down into this 26 area. But I missed it because I didn't take it because the market had just opened. I don't like trading open, and sometimes it makes the move once the market opens, and I just didn't want to be in it. It was a nice short here, but I didn't take it. So that is that. And I have to wait for another setup. So I'm watching this 4 hour to see where it go. Next 4 hour is at in about 20 minutes. Hopefully, you know, sometimes they make the move before the bar opens up, the next bar, and then you can't get it. You got to be in it, but I don't want to get trapped. I don't want to get trapped. 24 here in this area right here, like this high, it dipped a little bit, but it gets shaky around here. Around this 24, 25 area. So I want to, this would be nice, a break of this trend line for a short. We came up and sold, but pre-market sold though. We might can test back up here or come test the lows, back overnight lows, 05. But I would want to see a break of 20. It's got some buying. See, it may be choppy because you got some buying at 20 and it's 17 and run up here. So it can get real dicey. And this has been value low, area value low on previous days. Minus 25 area value low. So let's see. I like that it's coming down. It's an oversold. So that's what I'm looking at. And see what we can get. $17 minutes. Okay, we're going back up. We're going back up. Back and forth. My 15-minute chart. I can't even see my 15-minute chart. Going back up. Are we going to be in an uptrend today? Let's see. Let's see where we want to go. We break the trend line. Break the trend line. Come test back up to 38. Maybe get to 46. But we have some resistance up here. All up in this area. 44 to 48. We had, did we test 50 yesterday? We've been hitting this trend line and rejecting. We just going back and forth right here, just consolidating. Over under VWAP, consolidating over and under VWAP right now. Look like we're gonna have one of those days where we just over. Right here, over and under VWAP, we just back in this range here. See if we can break out one of these ranges. We keep popping to this trend line. We have a bigger yeah, we still in the uptrend, but If we bounce around here and break down below this 13, but we'll see if that happens. Or we come back to test this low. Okay, something is happening. I know at 10 o'clock we got news. Is it 10 or 10:30? Okay, we back over VWAP, but I don't like this 4-hour bar. This 4-hour bar is indecisive. Look at this. Just around 30. 43, 15, back up in this area. Okay. We're hitting up against this. This where it broke out early around this 30, came up, consolidated, and then moved again from 35. Okay, we just broke out. I missed it. Looking at my fizz on. What am I doing? That's not good. That's not good because I would have took that 33. This break 32. I would have took it. Could have got at least 4 points. 33 to 37. 33 to 37. What's this high? Yeah. It's 42. So I would have took this up into this area 37. There we go. My 4 points is right there. And I missed it right there. That break. Looking at my phone. Distracted. Which isn't good at times. Negative 37. That's the 4 points right there. There go my 4 points. 10 points would be up to this 47. But my 4 points would have been okay. That would have been a good trade. That would have been a good trade. We get back. Do I take the retest? I don't want to take the retest. I don't want to take the retest. We come back down to VWAP, bounce around a little bit, and try to come back up. That may work, but I'm not taking a retest. This is 3 minutes. Alright, this is 50. Oh, I'm not looking at my 15 minute. My 15 minute here. Okay, so we got green 15 minute. Over and under. We got 32 support here, maybe. if we're gonna go higher. We got 4 minutes before the next 4-hour bar come out. So it can be bullish, but we got rejection. We got rejection. Not too much, you know. See these 3 bars? We got inside 3-minute bar. What is this? 32 and 33. We got an inside 3-minute bar just in this 32, 33 area. Don't like this action. Don't like this action. We come back in here, we break down. Back in this overnight range here. But we're going back up. There, we're going back up to the upside. Maybe. Let's look at this. Look at this. Between 30 and 37. Look at this. Rejection. Buy. Rejection. Pardon me. One minute for the next 4-minute bar, 10 o'clock. What we got here? Forex Factory. I know we got some stuff. New York home sales at 10, 10:15. Member starts speaking, FOMC. Muslim speaks. 10:30, natural gas. If you're not worried about natural gas, okay. 12 o'clock. Crude inventories at 12. So usually crude inventories usually at 10:30. I guess so much coming out, they moved it. Crude inventories usually on Wednesdays. I gotta look into what's. Today's not Wednesday. Today Thursday. Crude inventories. Hold on, let me make sure I'm looking at the right day. Today is the 28th. The 28th, yeah. Crude inventories is at 12 p.m. Let me go back one day and see what happened. No, crude inventory didn't happen yesterday. Okay, 4-minute bar opened up and pushed higher. Pushed higher. So the 4 hours testing back these highs. I know y'all can probably hear my chair squeaking. Question is, where do it wants to go? $38. We got some resistance at 38 here. $38. We got 40. High value area. And then the low one here is, if we stay in this trend line, we could stay in this trend line and break back down. 34. Gonna move this right here. Just follow this trend line. We over VWAP. Choppy on the way up. Looking at this 4-hour bar, 34. Keep popping, keep trying to hold up. They keep trying to pop and hold up. It's acting a little funny. Keep popping back up, trying to hold it up. They're trying to hold it up over that 33. Trying to hold it up over 33, which is previous day's open. We're down what? 1 point? Only 4. That's 4. Yeah, 4 points. All right. They're trying to hold it up. Let's see. Okay. We're above 37. I'm just like stuck right there. I'm gonna take this short.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order failed.
Let's see. I'm getting in a little early, and then I'm gonna take a short
Order
here
submitted.
too. If it breaks to 33. If it breaks to 33. So I'm looking at the 4-hour. So I'm basing it on the 4-hour here. I'm expecting this to maybe fail. Let's see. Let's see if it fails. This didn't go into oversold yet, so this could still go higher and into oversold. Yeah, it didn't. It's not.
Order canceled.
Okay, it's not ready. It's not ready. Thought this tip and then a breakdown. But so I guess they're gonna squeeze the shorts. Maybe we just in here. Highs 39.75. Highs only 44 here.
Order failed.
See if we get 39 to 44. Try to get to the high, back up to. Can we get past it? Okay, we got orders stepping in. Come on. Orders not holding it up. So getting chopped on the bottom, getting chopped on the top. Let's see if we can go. Let's see. Don't look like it's going. Don't know if it's going. Nope, not going over. That's the short at 40. Or is it going to break out? This trend line. Trend line holding.
Order fell. Order submitted.
Oh, that's not what I wanted
Order
to do.
canceled.
It's a funny day. Which is not funny. We still haven't gotten past this trend line. So, are they slow rolling past this trend line? Oh, look at they're gonna pop. Oh, wow. 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 Look at this. Where's this going? Where's this going? 67. Next 15 minutes opens up at shorts getting squeezed. Shorts are getting squeezed. Shorts are getting squeezed. Shorts are getting squeezed. Next 15-minute bar comes in. Fifteen minutes. Let's see where we go from here. Where we going? If we hold over 64, if we hold over 64, that's 61. Between 61 and 64 is let's see if they push it. Between 61 and 64 is this level on the daily chart. Is this level on daily chart 64? Yeah. So we right here. Let's keep pumping. This is prior day open, prior day high. So we can test prior day's high of 70. Well, I think we did. So how far did we get? We went 74. So we went over prior day's high already. Yep, 74. So we go to retest prior day's high. $78 is next target. $68 to $78. What's this high? 70. 78 is the next target. I'm gonna take a short if we break this 60. If we break, I want to be in the 60. I want to be below this 60. Okay, let's see what if that gets a push higher. Below 60.
Order submitted.
Let's see.
Order canceled.
They're trying to hold it, trying to step in front of 60. Trying to step in front of 60. Oh, they moving it down. 58 and a quarter, they moving it down. They're trying to move it down. Okay. Right below the low of 55. This low is 54. Came and got maybe these stops right here. But we would trace this all the way back down.
Order filled.
Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna see if we can get the push down low. If not, 55. Maybe we get to 45.
Order submitted.
See if I
Order canceled.
That's it. Done for the day. Done for the day. Thought I can get something on it down. $53.75. All right, back over 60. Looking to see if it get rejected at 61, 62. See if we get some rejection at 61, 62. 60, 60, 60. When I'm just gonna stay up and then this looks like bullish flag if we get above 61. Get above 61, 62. We got the target 78. Hanging around at 60. $61.
Order filled.
Let's see if I'm on the right side. I've been on the wrong sides. Look. Yeah, it's a rough game. It's a rough game for me. It's a rough game for me. It's a rough game for me. Cause I think we gonna pull back some too. $61, $61, $61, $70, $70, $78, $61. See if we get past and above. This is risky on the 15-minute because it come back and just don't go anywhere. Come on. Oh. I want to see it push. I don't want. What's the low on here? Low is 61. I want it to keep pushing. Come on. Get a push. Get the push. Get the push. Get the pushing. Get the stepping. How Martin say? Don't look like it's gonna happen.
Order filled.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna chop around in here. We're gonna chop around in here. Now there go my shorts. Now the shorts may be working. Got the open. It's just at the open. Over and under the open. Daily open. Over and under the daily. Wonder if we can get back down in the 40s. We're going over and under the daily open. Do we hold these levels here? Is this a shakeout of the 61? And then try to run back up. Open, over and under the open. Over and under the open. So about 57 if it goes higher. We broke the low, dipped below it a little bit to 51. Another 15-minute bar opens up in about 5 minutes. Still right below the open. Let's see, 15-minute, 3 minutes for the 15-minute bar. See where this goes. Still got this resistance up here. This high is 59. Then another 15-minute bar opens up in 3 minutes. Might not make the move until the next 250 bar, 4-hour bar, 2 o'clock, and probably open up and push. One minute. None of it look like it's breaking out. I don't want it to make the move before the 15-minute bar. Then this is weak. Could go from green to red. Get a lot of trading in this volume trading in this area 57, 58. Okay, 12. It hasn't made a move yet. 12 minutes. It looks like it wants to make the move. There we go. It opened up. Is it going up or?
Order submitted.
Still got to get past that 61.
Order failed.
Let's see what happens. Still has to get past 59, 69, 61. We got to get past that 61. That's the kicker. Order's trying to step in here.
Order failed.
I got 2. So let's see. I think we get the push. 1 minute. 60. Let's see. 60 to not happening. 60 to 70, 25, which not happening. Got order stepping in here and they defending here. Let's see who wins. We got order stepping in here. They trying to defend here. Let's see who wins. We're getting past 62. I'm gonna move my
Order failed.
This is wild. This is wild. This is wild. This is wild. Very wild. Okay. All right. That's it. So we're going to chop in here. Another choppy day for me. This is wild. There we go. Just in there. Just in here. From this, this is. Yeah. Yep. Wow. 62.25. That's no chop for me. I'm down for the day. So tomorrow is another day. Another fight. I'm still, I mean, my accounts is still alive. But that's about it. Holding on. I'm holding on. Is this going up? Shakeout bar. Does this go as the next 15-minute bar goes? How long does it shake it? making closing lower. Close lower, close lower. Will this close lower? Have a lower close. Gotta stay in the game. Gotta stay in the game. Gotta stay in the game. All right, that's it. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm not gonna trade this inside here. And I still think it go to 78. They just, well, I don't think it will, but it's still bullish. But and then this will be the pop, not the pop, but the move higher that I can get in, and I won't be in it. And I won't be in it because it's still bullish. It looks still bullish. Oh. Looks still bullish. If it get over that 60, this might be the trade I was trying to get in the first place. But we gotta get past 62. That's 61, 62 level. 61, 62, 64. All that we got all that reject up here. Let me see. Watch this. Now when I take the sim trade, I'm gonna just take a sim trade. Watch this.
Order submitted.
Sim trade and watch it work.
Order failed.
Right? I'll take another one if we get
Order
past
submitted.
62. And my target is gonna be 72. Watch it work.
Order failed.
Watch it work. 72 and a quarter. Watch this. Now it's gonna work. On the sim. Hold on. 72. I got both of them at 72. Watch this. Watch it take off. Well, not take off, but this gonna be the trade. It's gonna go. But I'm on sim. It's gonna go. They trying to reject it. They trying to reject it, but it's gonna go. They're trying to stack up orders down here. It's still holding. That 60. This resistance level may hold. But when I'm on sim, it's gonna go. When I'm on sim, it's gonna go. Let me put this on sim so you can see. I mean, not on sim. Yeah, on. Hold up, not on this on sim. Let me put this on sim. There we go. Now it's on sim. There go my stop. Matter of fact, watch this. My target is R, close to R2. I'm gonna do like 5. And I'm gonna just leave. Yeah. Yeah, what's going on? Ooh. Uh-huh. What you mean I almost got pulled up? Right. What did you say? An hour? Oh, yeah. No, you just said, no, I don't know if you said. Yeah, hopefully they don't have to keep it. Let me see. Let me call my nephew and see what time he leaves tomorrow. But you know, I said today what Thursday? Oh, I need to get his phone to the phone and stuff.
Stop filled.
Hey, stop got filled. They not pushing. It's not going. So some didn't work. We in this range chopping in this range between 50, 60, and 50. So let's see how long we stay in that range. But that's it for the day. Not taking any more trades. I'm still in the game. I'm still just barely making it, but let's see if we can make it. If I can make it.